So in this video we'll be looking at how to restore Reaper to its factory default settings. So I have downloaded the new version of Reaper and I will be installing that version here. And just tick everything which is ticked by default. It is important to have this start menu shortcuts. Why? I'll be talking a little later. And simply you install it and hit close now. I don't want to run now. And simply go here in search and type here Reaper. Now you will see here option reset configuration to factory defaults. So if you want to restore the Reaper settings to the factory default settings, then you just click here and run. Currently I don't want so I will not do, but if you want then just click here